So in 2018 and 2019, I wanted to get some rugs made for my business. And if you don't know, I'm an artist and I sell different products to make rugs. Um, but before that, I was just an artist and I was making different things as an artist. And I have an Instagram account that I've grown to over 100K followers just by posting my art. But, anyways, I wanted to sell custom rugs. Sorry, my phone ran out of storage, but I wanted to sell custom rugs, so I reached out to a manufacturer, and that manufacturer ended up sending me a video of somebody making the rugs. And I was amazed, like when I saw somebody making rugs with a rug gun that I had no idea what it was. I had to, I wanted to learn how to do it so badly. And I had asked the manufacturer more about it, but they didn't really want to tell me anything about it. So then I started to do a lot of research and I bought my first rug gun from a manufacturer. And then from there, I taught myself over the span of like 2 years on how to make rugs. While I was making these rugs, I was posting them on my art account. And the majority of comments that I was getting when I was posting these rugs that I made were, "How do you make rugs? Please tell me how you make rugs." Because there was literally nowhere on the internet on how to make them. And so I saw an opportunity to show people how to make rugs and teach people how to do it while also supplying the materials on how to do it. But first, I had to find a manufacturer. And eventually, after months, I was able to find a very trustworthy manufacturer that I partnered up with. And since then, we've been selling the products. But um, a really crazy thing about it is the fact that there was nobody online ever showing how to do it. It was very, very secretive. I think it's similar to like making jewelry or um, like making tattoos, or you know what I mean? It's like sort of like a very niche and quiet um, type of hobby that people don't want to share with other people for some reason. But so I decided in 2020, at the height of the pandemic, to post how to make rugs on TikTok. And my first ever videos literally blew up. Like, I have one video that got over 20 million views on TikTok. And from there, after being the first person to show people how to make rugs on TikTok, my business started to blow up out of nowhere. Even on Instagram, Hypebeast, Highsnobiety, Complex, um, Wall Street Journal, and so many other people were writing articles about me and stuff like that. But it's just crazy because I've also, like, there's somebody that's a competitor to me, and they were and continue to like spread hate about me and make these false rumors about me. And like, even when I was starting to sell the rugs, the rug guns and other things, they were posting on Reddit saying that I was a scammer and all this stuff. But I think what made me stand out way more than them is because I was actually showing people how to do it. And they were trying to sell a course for like $100 or $200 on how to do it while supplying it, but not telling anybody how to do it and keeping it super secretive for some reason. And I think by doing that, they lost a lot of business. And so I just didn't see the point in keeping things quiet, and I wanted to show people how to do this. And by doing that, at first I got a lot of threats, and I got like, it was crazy the amount of people that DM'd me saying like, "How dare you do this? Like, it took me 5 years to learn this craft, and you're giving it away for free for a bunch of people to um what's the word, like, out, like, overuse it and all this stuff." But the amount of people afterwards, after I started to sell like thousands of product and give it to people, the amount of people that I got thanking me and saying like, "Thank you so much for helping me start this business. Like, I'm able to make money off of selling rugs," or "Thank you for letting me learn this new hobby. It's so fun," all this other stuff. It's just so much more satisfying to see like the amount of people. So yeah, it's like we've gone through so much with this business, and it's good to see where it's at now, but there was so much stress like starting out, and the amount of people that hated on us, like the amount of backlash that we've got in the past for like showing people how to make rugs is pretty crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and show and tell you guys like how it all started. And like before I posted anything about making rugs, it was pretty much like a secretive thing, and there was literally nowhere on Google to learn how to do it, because the only people that were doing it were in other countries that had factories. So I don't know, it's just really crazy to be able to supply this once item that was once only for factories to lots of consumers for them to make rugs for themselves or sell them in a business way. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much, and moving forward we do want to expand this business and just continue to grow the rug making community, because it's just really cool to see so many people be able to make cool rugs just like this one here. This one that I made, it's a mini golf course, and I finished it maybe about 20 minutes ago, but I put a hole right here so that the golf ball could hit into here, and this is supposed to be like grass, but this just shows that there's so many different things that you can make with rugs. I've seen people make furniture, like basketballs. The list goes on and on. So if you're ever interested in making rugs, go to my website, imakerugs.com. I'll have links in the description, and that's it for now. Thank you guys.